Oh no. I didn't plan for this. I'm so not ready for this Monday. What am I gonna do? If only... Actually, let me make a phone call. I might be able to get a video ready for this morning. It's short notice, but he works pretty fast.
Hello?
Hey, this is a weird question, but is Paulo around? Does he have a second? Can we talk?
Yeah, we're actually here together right now.
Hey, Paulo.
What?
Can I ask you to do me a huge favor?
Yeah?
Okay. Here we go then.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be placing wheel bearings. Let's don't wait anymore, but let's go into it. Okay. That is long. This is where your wheel bearings on. When your wheel gets wobbly, it's time to chase them. Then let's use the right tools to pull them out. You can see this old bearing is really gross. This is the fresh one, and we're gonna put it in the wheel.
It's very well greased, but on the other side, it's not.
Yep.
So, Paulo recommended that we use some heavy wheel bearing grease and really just pack this bearing in so that we don't have rust problems in the future. Right, Paulo?
Yep. We got new bearings pressed into the wheel. We use this tool to make it straight. Now we're gonna get the wheel back in the bike. Go ahead, Travis, lift the wheel. Oh no. Can I have a cookie? I work hard, I eat cookies.